All right, guys, who doesn't like free stuff? Listen, man, I'm going to be putting this in all my channels. This is going to be on the AAC channel. This will be on the Triple N channel. This will be on the Sky Masters channel and a couple other channels because there's a lot of people that are doing the music, and I brush elbows in people with all those channels. So this is a free 3-day music production masterclass by Jason Timothy. The guy has written books. He's pretty kind of famous. I think he mostly uses uh, Ableton for his DAW, but I don't think you need to use Ableton or even have a DAW to even pull out a lot of value from maybe this class here. You're going to come out of this free training more organized, more confident, and more productive with your music making. He has this mental approach to making music, man. Like sit back and kind of like think about what you're doing, get organized, and not just jumping in. Because a lot of people that are jumping into music making, you're getting all this stuff, and you got VSTs, and you got all these things. You're like a little kid in a thrift store, and I swear I hear it in a lot of newer people's music. Your music sounds like a thrift store. You're adding every trick and thing that you ever learned all into one thing, and it's like just boom, it's just too much. It's disorganized, it's not arranged right. I don't know. I'm just letting you know. He has this mental approach. Like sit back, take a breath. It's very important. It's not just let's sit down and just make something. There's a mental approach to it, man. And this guy is going to really help you approach that in a masterful way that's going to be beneficial to you and be more productive. So very cool. I do want to read my opening email from him here. It says, congrats on joining the 3-day music production master training. So, this looks like it's going to be a live stream to a Facebook channel. So that's going to be cool for me because I'm going to be in and out of work to do this. So I'll be jumping back and forth, and I'll be able to attend this class partially from work and then partially from home. So very cool. The mental game of electronic music production. I'm going to take you to the site here. I think it's probably going to be on Amazon. So this is the book that just kind of does it all. This is kind of a famous book. Go get this thing. It's very cool. It's an enlightening book, man. Let's check out this other book here too from him, The Process for Electronic Music Production. I don't have this one, so I think I'm going to go ahead and probably click on this here, or buy now with one click. Read for free. Well, we're going to put this on the, because I have it in my thingy. So, yeah, very cool. I may be able to read that for free. So, Kindle Unlimited. I have this one here. So, go out and support this guy. He's got a really cool, different thing. It's not just making music. He's got a very unique way of approaching things that is different from other people. And it's very important. I think it's overlooked. So, this guy has hit a niche that's super important, and most people aren't doing it. So, this class could benefit you a whole lot. It's free. It's from a masterclass published author and a master Ableton user. The guy's kind of sort of famous. Give it up for Jason Timothy and this free class. So go join it. Go sign up. It's going to be the next couple days. You can join in on the Facebook thingy on his page, and get what you can out of it. Ask some questions. Even if you're not a digital audio workstation user, your approach to making things and arranging things is kind of the same, really. I mean, I don't know how far in depth he's going to go on it, but I would imagine anybody could probably get some very good knowledge out of this. So there you guys go. I'm going to end the video right here and be off on my way on this lovely day, and I'll end it like I do always. You guys call somebody, tell them you love them, and I'll see you guys on the next video.